Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a short audio clip you want as a ringtone. Keep it under 30 seconds because iPhone enforces that. Once done, move the file into Files or sync via iTunes / Finder so Garageband can access it. Now open Garageband and create a new project using Audio Recorder or Tracks. This gives you a timeline to place the clip. You're starting the actual import and trimming steps immediately, so you don't waste time on menus later. You now import the clip into your track and focus on clean edits. This is where accuracy matters. Drag from files into the timeline, then trim and add fades so the ringtone starts and stops naturally. Make sure Snap to Grid is off when you need sample-accurate cuts. Adjust track gain so it's audible but not distorted. GarageBand's meters help you avoid clipping. Once the segment is polished and confirmed under 30 seconds, you're ready to bounce it for export. You finish by exporting, tap Share, choose Ringtone, name it, and GarageBand will prepare an M4R length file and offer to use it as your ringtone. Once exported, go to Settings, right arrow Sounds and Haptics to select it. If it doesn't appear, restart your iPhone or resync via Finder / iTunes. Sometimes the tone cache needs refresh. If playback cuts or fails, confirm the file is under 30 seconds and re-export with slightly different fades or lowered peak volume to fix issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.